Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration.
A modern, minimalist home with a large glass-walled extension opening onto a covered deck. Spacious, light-filled living space. Natural materials like wood and stone, with dark gray metal framing. The home is situated among mature trees in a leafy woodland setting. The aesthetic is contemporary and tranquil. Impressionistic rendering, but with strong details. The colors are a mix of rich browns, grays, and greens, with pops of beige and muted tans. Wooden furniture like dining tables and chairs on the deck. Outdoor furniture includes gray wicker or woven seating. The deck is made of a light gray stone or composite material. The grass is vibrant green and extends to the edge of a stone retaining wall. A charming, light-filled cottage with a lush garden. A light gray/white clapboard house with a simple, gently sloping roof. Natural, slightly overgrown garden beds with a variety of flowering plants and greenery surround the porch and walkway to the front door. Purple/lavender flowers, white flowers, and other colorful blooms are interspersed with lush green foliage. A flagstone/stone pathway leads to the front door. The garden is vibrant and bursting with life, showing soft, rich colors of purple, blue, white, yellow, and red. The house's white exterior complements the colors and tones of the garden beautifully. A modern, minimalist tropical house with a large deck. Impressionistic style. The house is light gray concrete with a large, open-plan living area/bedroom featuring wooden interior walls and sliding glass doors, allowing for a seamless transition to the lush tropical gardens surrounding it. The deck is made of light brown wood planks. The surrounding landscape is filled with vibrant green tropical foliage, including palm trees, banana trees, and various other lush plants. The colors are rich, jewel-toned greens, browns, and grays. A comfortable-looking light gray bed with white sheets is visible through the glass doors. A modern, light-filled, contemporary home nestled within a wooded setting. The house, featuring a large expanse of dark-framed windows overlooking a deck, is constructed of gray stone and dark-stained wood. The deck, made of light-colored wood, has built-in seating areas, including armchairs and a dining table, that extend the living space outdoors. Warm, ambient lighting highlights the interior from the exterior, casting a soft glow on the scene. The trees appear in autumnal tones of orange and yellow, giving a vibrant, fall-inspired impression. The overall style is calm and inviting, with a sense of natural beauty and modern luxury. A large, modern farmhouse, painted crisp white with dark gray/black roofing and trim. The house features a covered porch with wooden support beams, a front door in a dark brown wood, and large, black-framed windows. The roofline has a slightly pitched, craftsman-style design with visible, light brown wooden accents. The house is nestled in a wooded, natural setting with tall evergreen and deciduous trees surrounding it. The lawn is a vibrant green, with a gravel driveway leading to the house and landscaping including small, stepping stone pathways, various shrubs, and plantings. The scene is well lit, suggesting an impressionistic quality to accentuate the warm light and shadows. A bright and airy open-concept living area, kitchen, and dining space in a modern log cabin. Large, light brown wood windows and sliding glass doors frame a snowy winter landscape of birch trees. The light streams in, casting warm, golden hues throughout the space. The interior is furnished with a light gray sectional sofa, a long, light brown wooden dining table with light gray dining chairs, and a light gray kitchen island. The flooring is a light brown hardwood, and a beige rug is placed in the living area. The decor is simple but tasteful, with some plants and throws. The style is cozy, rustic contemporary. Focus on natural light and textures. A modern, black-clad chalet or cabin nestled amidst autumn foliage. The home features a large, open-concept living area with expansive glass walls offering panoramic views into a forest of vibrant fall colors, reds, oranges, yellows, browns. The exterior walls are a deep, matte black, contrasting beautifully with the warm tones of the surrounding trees. The home's roof is a dark gray metal. A wooden deck, gray/brown in color, extends from the home, leading down a set of gray steps to a stone-paved path nestled in the landscape. The light within the home is warm and inviting, casting a soft glow through the windows. A modern, mid-century inspired home with a large glass-walled patio area. The house features a black metal roof and a wooden overhang, with large windows that look out onto a landscaped backyard. The exterior walls are a light beige/off-white, with an accent of a deep terracotta/burnt orange. The patio deck is a light gray, and there are orange lounge chairs. The yard is filled with various desert plants, including cacti and succulents, and low stone walls. The ground is covered in gravel and stone pathways meander through the landscaping. The trees in the background are full and lush, with some Spanish moss hanging from the branches. A large, modern farmhouse-style home at twilight. Soft, diffused light bathes the white clapboard facade, accented with dark gray metal roofing and trim. Black framed windows with natural light are visible throughout the house. The home features a covered entryway with a black double door. A white garage door is visible on the left side of the house. The house is set against a backdrop of a light blue-purple sky with fluffy clouds. The foreground shows landscaping, with bushes, trees, and a stone retaining wall. The scene has a slightly impressionistic or hyperrealistic quality, focusing on capturing the mood of the evening light. A cozy, bright, light-filled tiny house interior. Open concept kitchen, living area, and a loft area with wooden stairs. White walls and cabinetry with light-colored hardwood floors. A large window looking out to a lush green garden/yard. Wooden beams and a metal railing of the loft. Rustic/farmhouse aesthetic. Natural light streams in, illuminating the space with soft warm tones. Soft beige/cream colored couch. wooden kitchen counter with a light, natural wood tone. Beige/tan colored rugs add texture and warmth. A mix of framed artwork/posters on the walls. Mid-century style, minimalist furniture. A bright, impressionistic style feel. A modern, light-filled, eco-friendly cabin nestled amidst autumnal foliage. The cabin has a green roof, black metal framing, and light-colored wooden siding. Large glass sliding doors open to a covered deck with a wooden floor. A small, simple table and chairs are placed on the deck for outdoor use. The walls of the cabin are a textured gray metal, contrasting with the wooden planks. The surrounding landscaping is a mix of vibrant autumn colors in the shrubbery, with yellow and orange fall foliage. The trees in the background are a mix of golden yellow, orange and dark green, adding depth and warmth. Impressionistic style, full sun, focused on natural light and the interplay of materials. A charming stone house with a covered porch, nestled in a picturesque autumnal setting. Medium shot, hyperrealistic style. The house is constructed of various shades of gray and beige stone, with a dark gray slate roof. The porch features rustic wooden support posts and a wooden railing, a light brown wooden door with a red wreath, and potted plants in terracotta pots. Hanging baskets overflowing with autumnal flowers, red, orange, white, adorn the porch. A variety of autumnal foliage surrounds the home, including trees with vibrant orange, yellow, and red leaves, and green shrubs and bushes. Soft, muted fall colors dominate the scene. A tranquil lakeside cabin at sunset. A dark, charming, wooden cabin with light-colored trim and a wraparound porch sits on a gently sloping grassy bank overlooking a calm lake. The cabin is nestled within a lush, green forest, with trees and foliage surrounding it. Soft, pastel colors of the sunset, including pinks, oranges, and purples, reflect on the still water of the lake. The water is a deep gray blue with subtle ripples. The image is a high-resolution, beautiful, and detailed hyperrealistic photograph. The focus should be on the textures of the wood, grass, rocks, and water. Include visible light glowing from the windows of the cabin.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.